Once upon a time in the hidden heart of France, a handsome young prince.
It's time.
He taxed the village to fill his castle with the most beautiful objects.
What a display! What a breathtaking, thrilling array!
Repulsed by her haggard appearance, the prince turned the woman away. When he dismissed her again, the old woman's outward appearance melted away. The prince begged for forgiveness, but it was too late. As punishment, she transformed him into a hideous beast. But the rose she had offered was truly an enchanted rose.
Thank you. Hello? Sorry to intrude. I'm just a traveler. Anyone home? Anyone awake? Beautiful.
A man of taste.
He was talking about me.
Well, wherever you are, that's better. Oh, much better. Oh. Whoa, whoa, no, wait. Roses. There.
What happened? Where's Papa?
What if she is the one who'll break the spell?
Who said that? Papa, is that you?
Belle!
Your father is a thief.
Liar!
He stole a rose.
A life sentence for a rose. I need a minute alone with him.
Belle.
Papa! Don't hurt him!
Forgive my intrusion, mademoiselle. Hello.
You can talk.
Well, of course he can talk. It's all he ever does.
You must forgive first impressions. I hope you are not too startled.
Why would I be startled?
Whippies to the east wing.
Or, as I like to call it, the only wing. Welcome to your new home. It's modest, but comfortable.
It's beautiful.
Don't worry. I'll have this place spotless in no time.
We have someone for you to dress.
Finally.
I am not a beast. You came back.
It's gonna be fine. Come back!
Plumette! Oh, my darling Plumette.
Amore! No! Don't leave me!
Where is my little boy? I love you.
Mother.
Oh, my prince!
What is it?
How would you feel about growing a beard?
Let's play a party freeze game. Remember, when I say freeze, freeze. And when I say dance, dance. Dancing, dancing all around. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Dancing any way you please. But stop when I say freeze. Everybody get ready to hop.